Hey there, website wizards. Want to make your social icons pop with animation? Today I'll show you how to add animated social icons in Elementor using the free Happy Add-ons plugin. It's quick, easy, and absolutely free. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head to Plugins, Add New, and search for Happy Elementor add-ons. Found it? Great. Click Install and then Activate. We're using the free Image Stack Group widget to add social images and icons to your web page. Ensure it's active in the add-on settings. Now open the page you want to edit in Elementor. I'll go with a single column for simplicity. Next, look for the Image Stack Group widget. Drag and drop it into your section. In the Settings panel, you can add multiple icons or images. I'm using images downloaded from FreePic. For each item, upload your social media icon or select one from the library, then add your social media page URLs in the link field. The title will appear as a tooltip for each item. In the Style tab, you can easily adjust the image size and customize other settings like spacing and border size. Once you're satisfied, click Save and preview your page, and there you have it. Adding animated social icons to your web page using the Image Stack Group widget from Happy Add-ons is that simple. You can also use Elementor icons instead of images. Additionally, you can adjust the icon color and background settings. Just follow my steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and explore our other related videos. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing. Thank you.